Some of them were so good, I just couldn't get enough. And when I was alone, I take care.
Glass of wine, candlelight, music.